The uh, USA, uh, Outlier USA, Outlier USA. Do you want? Bu- yes, Bulba, Bulba and Mats only I have in USA. Yung this is the USA account. Can you hear me, bro? Can you hear me? Okay. Thi- Here? Okay, okay. This is the earning rate, bro. I will show you the earning rate. This is 50 USD per hour. Okay. To 17 base rate. Uh, should I show you the task that you can? Okay, tasking. I'm using proxy, bro. Residential proxy because it is USA account. Uh, no, bro. I will include the proxy or the original proxy because yes, because to avoid the suspension of account. That's why I'm including the original proxy of the account. Tasking. Zoom in. Okay. I go home. Go back home. I'll show you the ano, bro. I'll show you the profile. Sure, I'll show you the profile of this account. This is verified account, bro, by USA California. Yes, bro. Included the proxy, bro. If you want the discount. Yes, bro. I will include the Gmail for you to secure the account. No, of course, bro. Of course. It is yours. It is yours if you purchase it. 40, bro. Okay, bro. 35. Let's close at 35. Yes, bro. 35. Wallet address? Okay, bro. Right now. Thank you, brother.